Let's return back to our normal view. One thing that you can do is you can use Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to view multiple designs side by side. So we're going to work with at least 2 designs here. So I am here currently on Canva, and I have some few designs here that I have worked on. For example, I have this one, the calls for writers that I have worked on for an organization at school. So you can search this up on Facebook and like it, because we write stories there. So as you can see, we have a page 1 and a page 2. So there are multiple works over here. And in order to see these 2 designs side by side, what you can do is you can actually zoom out it like this. So it will show you top and bottom. But you can also go over here to grid view, and it will look like this. So one thing you can do is you can zoom in by doing it like this. I'm using my laptop right now, so I can just zoom in like this. So yeah, and then another thing you can do is you go back here, turn it back to let's return back to our normal view. One thing you can do is you can use rulers. Now you might be wondering what you mean by using rulers. That's not seeing or looking at your design side by side. Well, the point is, I'm just gonna show you. If you go to File and then go to Settings and then Show Rulers and Guides, you'll see here, you'll find actually a different way of seeing things. So if you're going to be using side by side just to compare it and see if everything is falling in line, well, that's the point here with using the ruler. If you have a ruler here, you can just hold it and drag it down and then just aim it somewhere. Let's say this one here is at 654, and you want the second text in the second page to also land at 654. You just drag it down until you see 654 as well, which is around here. So as you can see, it seems like writer and literarium is on the same level. So I think that's good for me. So yeah, that is a way that you can do in order to view 2 pages on one design side by side. Yeah, I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.